Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to push email notifications from Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. And of course, you need to go and subscribe to Netflix. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and push email notifications from Netflix. So first of all, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account, as so. Now scroll down and here you have manage profiles where you can go and click on the profile and of course find the profile that you want to go and change. Now click here and then go to communication settings. When you go to the communication settings, then go and click on manage emails, then toggle the categories for which you want to receive emails, such as what to watch, watch recommendations, surveys, and research invites, then click update to save your preferences. You should now start receiving email notifications based on your selected preferences. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.